Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's analysis, first we will dive into the 4-hour time frame of gold. On this chart, considering the reaction at the top and the current downtrend, it is expected that a corrective move will form like this. After the completion of the bullish corrective move, the downtrend may continue. In the first scenario, we expect that in the resistance zone and the resistance trend line, the downtrend may start around this level on this chart. In the second scenario, if you break above the 100% level, the bullish move can continue toward the next resistance. And around this level, based on the scenario we explained, a downward move could again form on this chart. In a more pessimistic view for the downtrend, the bullish advance could stretch up to the two resistance zones around this level. And even in that range, the chart would still be prone to a downward move. Of course, if the price moved past the 78 level, the bearish scenario would fail and the bullish continuation would take shape up to this level. Next, on the DXY chart, we have a WXY pattern, and as you can see, the price managed to hover above the green support zone around here. It is expected that the current range, the triangle pattern, will complete, and depending on the reaction at this time frame, a bullish move could start with a breakout of this resistance zone. The confirmation for the bullish move would be when the price breaks strongly above this resistance area and stabilizes above it, leading to a continued bullish trend. Given the repeated tests of this support zone, there is also the possibility of this zone breaking. If it does break, the bullish scenario would fail and we would look for a corrective and bearish pattern on this area. On the Dow Jones chart, we had a correction, and the price was able to move above the green resistance zone around here. And as you can see, the price is now stabilizing above this zone. We expect the bullish trend to continue up to this resistance level around here. However, as long as the price does not break through the resistance trend line, we will still expect the possibility of a corrective and bearish move. Given the pattern that's formed in this range, a bearish move could also develop. So we are not solely focusing on the bullish trend. Currently, the bullish move is expected to extend up to this resistance level. After hitting the resistance, a trend change might occur. In the event of a sharp bearish move that easily breaks through the two support levels we marked around here, the downtrend would continue. Otherwise, the bearish move would likely be just a correction. And after the correction ends, a bullish trend could resume with a breakout of the previous resistance zone and the resistance trend line. At the moment, the price reaction to the resistance area is very important, because breaking above this level could lead to a continuation of the bullish trend, and breaking below this level could lead to the continuation of a bearish trend. On the Bitcoin chart, we had a bullish trend that now has entered a corrective phase around this level. Currently, there is a high chance of forming either a WXY pattern or an ongoing triangle. In both scenarios, we expect a bullish trend to form. The bullish move could either continue gradually or directly create a sharp bullish spike. In both patterns that we discussed, the overall expectation is a bullish move. The triangle pattern, upon reaching a certain level, could re-enter a corrective move. However, the main bullish trend would likely form with a breakout of the previous tops and stabilizing above this level. The bullish movement would likely proceed accordingly towards this level. And also, of course, if the green support area around here is broken, the bullish scenario would fail and we would look for an alternative corrective pattern. Thanks for watching. If you find this analysis helpful, don't forget to like and also subscribe. See you next time.